Hey, parents, providers, guardians, loved ones. I'm Dr. Seth Pearl, and I'm here to talk to you about a lecture that we're doing at 450 Mamaroneck Avenue called The Perfect Storm. Many of you out there are dealing with children that are being diagnosed with autism, attention deficit disorder, dyslexia, sensory issues, epilepsy, all of these things that we're seeing more and more of our kids are being diagnosed with, and we don't know where to go. We're going to our doctors and we're getting question marks that we don't know how to and what to do about it. Well, I'm going to tell you this lecture that we're going to be doing is going to be getting to the core of why our kids are suffering this way, why we are seeing more and more of a confluence of events that's causing the rise in autism and attention issues and focus and all of these sensory challenges that we're seeing with our children. We're going to go under the hood and look at the neurology of why this is happening, but more importantly, how we can affect that neurology, how we can change that child's trajectory in a very simple but very definite way. It's been the last 25 years of my life working with this population, helping them achieve their highest level of self. Come join me, listen to what we have to say. It's a free lecture. Bring people you care about, bring your loved ones, bring your teachers. Let's talk. Let's have a communication about what's going on in this population. And let's talk about how we can help these kids. I'm Seth Pearl. I look forward to seeing you on this lecture for The Perfect Storm.